In this video, I want to give you an update on my recording room. Remember, about a year ago, I gave you a tour of the stick house recording room. This was when our house was just framed. There was nothing there but just sticks. And I call it the stick house recording room. And then a few months later, I gave you another tour of the room when I was insulating it with Rockwool Safe-n-Sound insulation in order to get some sound barrier between me and the rest of the house. Remember that? I'll have those videos linked below in case you don't. Well, today I want to give you another update because the room is finished, the house is finished, and I'm in it, and I now have a vocal booth, which means I have a room inside of my room. So let's take a look right now. Hey friends, Mike Adams here with Learn Audacity. So here's some pictures of the inside of my room as it is today. You can see that I have added this vocal booth here. I got this vocal booth at vocalbooth.com. I'm not an affiliate. I'm not associated with them in any way. I don't get any kickback from this, but I did some research on finding a booth to put in here, and this was the one that I chose for a couple of reasons. Number one, it didn't have parallel walls, and it's got good foam insulation. You can see it behind me here. I'm in it right now. And it fit really nice in the corner of the room that I've got it in. I assembled this myself. It took me about, 15 minutes to put this together. It's Velcroed together. It's not the sturdiest thing in the world, but it's not going to fall or go anywhere either. This model is the VO1 vocal booth. Again, it's from vocalbooth.com. I'll have a link if you want to go check it out for yourself. It's got a nice shelf in here. I have a stand for the microphone. Actually, I had the stand already, so I didn't buy theirs. I just used the same one and installed it. It saved me about $20. You can get an option for 2 shelves if that's what you want to do. It comes with a lighting kit. And as you can see from these photos, I have my iPad in here so that I can read scripts or read off of whatever I'm going to do, whether I'm podcasting or making a video or doing an audiobook. But what do you think of the sound quality in here? I can't hear much of anything. You know, right outside this wall is the air conditioning unit sitting on the ground. This is right on the other side of this booth wall is the real wall of the house. And on the other side of it is outside. And right there sits the compressor for our air conditioner. And so when it starts up, you can kind of hear it, but not really too much in here, as this is really treated well, insulated well, with that Rockwool Safe-n-Sound insulation that I was able to install before they put the drywall up. I didn't make a video of putting this thing together because on the vocalbooth.com website, they have a really good video of how to assemble this thing and install it. And so you can go look at that one. It's actually a lot better than anything I could put together. But I have to say, I really like this booth. This booth fits my needs perfectly. The shelf that comes with it, which, by the way, you can order 2 shelves if you want to. I just got 1 shelf because that's all I really need. I always record into my Zoom H6, and so it doesn't really take up any space. But this shelf is very sturdy. You can put a lot of stuff on it. And these walls are a foam material in addition to the foam padding or the egg crate padding that you see here behind me. So all in all, I'm really pleased with this. I was able to install the lighting kit. I hid all of the cables within the corners of the booth, and so they're not really out and visible. So again, I'm not an affiliate or anything, but if you want to, go check it out at vocalbooth.com and look for the VO1 vocal booth. If you end up getting this, I don't think you'll be disappointed. Personally, I am really enjoying having a booth. This gives me a room inside of my room, and it's well insulated, and it sounds good. What do you think of the sound quality? I'm speaking through my Lewitt, what is this, a 440 Pure large diaphragm condenser mic, and I think the audio sounds great. But leave a comment and tell me what you think. So I'll let you go. That's all I have for you right now. Just a reminder, I teach Audacity classes at audacitybootcamp.com. You'll find 2 of them there. You'll find Audacity Step-by-Step, Beginner to Advanced, and you'll find ACX audiobook production using Audacity. There are reviews there from people that have taken my classes, and you can preview some of the course. You can see the entire courses there. So go check it out, and maybe I will see you there. Till next time, take care.